Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate the cabinet face frames 1 and 2 and lay them on your work surface with the joint grooves facing upward. Add a thin layer of wood glue to the joint grooves of the frames. Next, locate the front, left, and right side panels. Insert the front right panel into the joint grooves of frame 2 with the shelf supports facing downward. Make sure the panel is correctly seated within the groove and aligned with the frame before using your spot nail gun to secure it. Insert the front left panel into the joint groove of frame 1 with the shelf supports facing down. Make sure the panel is correctly seated and aligned before using your spot nail gun to secure the panel to the frame. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Set the panels upright to connect frames 1 and 2 where the pre-drilled holes align. Use your drill to fasten the frames together with the screws provided. Locate the bottom panel. With the back joint groove facing upward, insert the bottom panel into the joint grooves of the front panels and frames. Make sure it's correctly seated within the grooves and aligned before using your spot nail gun to secure it to the frame. Attach the back right panel with the pre-drilled holes at the top and the bottom joint groove connecting to the bottom panel. Make sure the panels are correctly seated and aligned before using your spot nail gun to fasten the back right panel to the front right panel. Align the pre-drilled holes at the top of the panel with the long arm of face frame 1 and use your drill and provided screws to connect them. Attach the back left panel with the joint groove connecting to the bottom panel. Make sure it's correctly seated and aligned before using your narrow crown gun to fasten the back left panel to the front left panel. Locate the center back panel. Slide the center back panel into the grooves with the pre-drilled holes at the top. Use your rubber mallet to gently tap the back panel so it's firmly seated within the bottom panel joint groove. Use your drill and screws to fasten both back panels to the bottom panel. Locate the top support panel. Insert the top support panel at the back of the cabinet aligning the pre-drilled holes. Use your drill and screws to secure it to all back panels. Next, lay the cabinet on its back and locate your large and small toe kicks. Insert the large toe kick with the pre-drilled holes in the center facing upward. Align the pre-drilled holes on the end with the holes on the back right panel and use your drill and screws to fasten them together. Make sure the toe kick is properly aligned and use your spot nail gun to secure it to the front left panel. Insert the small toe kick aligning the pre-drilled holes on the end with the holes in the center of the large toe kick and use your drill and screws to fasten them together. Make sure it's properly aligned and use your spot nail gun to secure it to the front right panel. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Sit the cabinet box upright and set aside. Locate the flat swivels, tray holders, and round wooden trays. Lay the tray holders on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Adjust the flat swivel to align with the pre-drilled holes on the center of the tray holder. Use your drill and screws to attach on all 4 corners. Lay the round wooden tray upside down on your work surface. Flip the tray holder upside down, aligning the other side of the flat swivel with the center of the round wooden tray. Use your drill and screws while rotating the tray holder to attach it on all sides. Repeat this step for the second wooden tray. Insert the bottom tray at an angle into the cabinet box and use your drill and screws to attach both ends to the bottom panel. Insert the top tray into the cabinet box. Align with the pre-drilled holes on the shelf supports and use your drill and screws to attach both ends. Locate your L-shaped corner brackets. Drill all corner brackets to the top corners of the cabinet box using the screws provided. Locate door panels A and B and door hinges 1 and 2. Place the door panels on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Insert hinges 1 into the large pre-drilled holes on door panel A and hinges 2 into door panel B. Align the connecting hinges on door panel B with the small pre-drilled holes on panel A. Use your drill and screws provided to secure the hinges. Align the hinges with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet box and use your drill to attach them with the provided screws. Apply door bumpers to the inside of the door on each corner. Check the alignment of your doors and adjust the hinges as needed to ensure proper alignment. Congratulations on completing your assembly.